How to activate AT&T Fiber Optic. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is log into your AT&T account. For that, launch your preferred browser and then type in att.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of AT&T. Now you have to log into your account. At the top right, you will find this option of My AT&T. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Sign In. Now you have to fill this. Type in your user ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on the option of Forget User ID and recover it. After you fill this, click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. If you want to keep yourself logged in, you can check in for this option. After you fill this, click on the option of Sign In, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be good to go. Once you have placed your order, AT&T will schedule a technician to come to your home to install the fiber optic equipment. They will provide you with a date and time for the installation appointment. Before the technician arrives, make sure that someone 18 years or older will be home for the installation. Also clear the area where the equipment will be installed and make sure there are easy access to power outlets. On the scheduled installation day, the technician will arrive at your home to install necessary equipment such as the fiber optic modem and any other devices required for your service package. They will also set up the Wi-Fi network if applicable. Once the installation is complete, the technician will test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. At this point, your AT&T Fiber Optic service should be activated and ready to use. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network, or if you are using wired connections, plug them into the appropriate ports on the modem or router. By following these steps, you will be able to activate AT&T Fiber Optic. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.